Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on taxes with TurboTax easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the TurboTax website. Create an account if you don't have one or log in to your existing account. Select the appropriate version of TurboTax for your tax situation. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, such as your name and address. Provide your filing status, whether you are single, married, or head of household. Input your income details, including wages, self-employment income, and other sources. Answer all the questions regarding deductions and credits. Consider itemizing your deductions if they exceed the standard deduction for your filing status. Make sure to include any tax-deductible expenses related to home office, education, or medical costs. Review any potential credits, like the Earned Income Tax Credit or Child Tax Credit. Take advantage of TurboTax's tools to find overlooked deductions related to your profession or situation. Check for state tax requirements and make sure to complete that section as well. Use the built-in calculator to estimate your potential refund or tax due. Review your return for accuracy before moving to the next step. Conduct a final review where TurboTax highlights areas you may want to double-check. Once you're satisfied, proceed to file your return electronically for faster processing. Save a copy of your tax return for your records. Track your filing status through TurboTax's tools for updates on your refund. Make adjustments in future filings based on insights gained from this year's return. Continue to educate yourself on tax laws to maximize your savings in subsequent years. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.